ConvertKit tutorial, how to use ConvertKit. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a great tool for you to use as an email marketing tool, especially if you're just starting out and you're trying to grow as a creator. Even if you have a small business, you can easily use this for your email marketing needs. So let's get into ConvertKit and how we can get started. Firstly, ConvertKit has some amazing features, including a creator network, landing pages, forums, email designers, visual automations, and commerce functions. All of this can help you in selling products, managing your account, setting up your business, and much more. To get started with ConvertKit, simply head on over to convertkit.com and then click on sign up for free. Once you click on sign up for free, it's time to create your account. So you're going to put in your name and then you're going to add your email address. Then you're going to create a suitable password for your account, agree to their terms and conditions, and then click on get started. Once you do that, you have some onboarding questions. So we're going to fill these out. Where you're joining them from, how large is your audience, some information about you. So, what is your business name? Let's say that our business is called Spencer, and then I'm just going to click on continue. After that, you have your ConvertKit domain name. So Spencer 11, I'm fine with that. I'm going to click on continue. Then you're going to choose what type of creator you are. So let's say that I am a influencer. Then we're going to click on continue over here and proceed. Now, after that, you're going to choose what you're trying to do with ConvertKit. So if you're looking to send emails, grow your subscriber list, or if you're just trying to explore the platform, we're going to be primarily using this as an email marketing tool. Now, from here, you can choose to add this optional information about your website URL or any of your social media pages. I do recommend linking them over here, but if you want, you can do that later as well and you can continue on ahead. Once you do that, this is going to be your ConvertKit dashboard. In your ConvertKit dashboard, you will see on the top, you have the option to grow. This includes creating forums, subscriber forums, and adding subscribers on your own. Then you have your sending section, which includes email broadcasts, email templates, email automation sequences. Then you have your basic automation tool, which allows you to build automations visually as well as set up rules for automations. And then you have your earning section, which includes tip jars, products, and payouts. So the first step to setting up our ConvertKit account is to add our subscriber list, so the people that we are sending these emails to. You can click on your Grow tab and then click on Subscribers over here. Once you do that, you will see a simple dashboard that allows you to visually see the number of subscribers you have, the total subscribers, average open rates, click rates, and more. You're going to click on Add Subscriber on the bottom right. So just click on Add Subscriber on the bottom right over here. And once you do that, you can go on ahead and click on the tag name. So let's say this is going to be new subs, and then I'm just going to click on create tag over here. Once I've done that, I can proceed on. We're just going to add them as either a single subscriber or a CSV. This really depends on if you already have a email list. So if you're already sending out emails and you already have a list of the subscribers, you can import that. If you are using MailChimp or any other email marketing provider, you can link that and import from there as well. I'm going to add a single subscriber and we're going to set this up. So let's say this is going to be Jane, and then I can add their email address. And then I am going to just add them to the new subs, and then I'll just click on save. And once I've done that, this will just add a new subscriber over here. It's going to visually display the addition of a new subscriber. So this allows you to see your growth as a company, as a individual in business. You're able to better understand your growth rates. Now, once you have added your subscribers, it's time to set up emails. You're going to go into send and you have different options. So you can create email templates, you can send out broadcast emails, which are, regular emails. First, we're going to create our template and then we're going to send it out. So you can see there is a default template. You can click on new email template over here and build a reusable template. So I'm going to go into some of the classic emails, and you guys can see there are several templates already existing that you can use. I want to use a really simple one, so I want to use this one. This is pretty basic. I'm just going to convert this into a simple welcome email. So welcome to Spencer, something like that. Firstly, I'm going to delete the logo and we are going to customize the text. So, welcome to Spencer. And then we're going to add thanks for signing up to our newsletter. And then I'm just going to click on the text and we're going to click on the color. And then we're going to change the alignment to center. And then once I've done that, I'm going to reduce the size a little as well. And now on the top, I want to add a logo. So I'm going to click on add block. And you can see I have the option for a text block, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to proceed on. And we're going to go back into our template, customize the color a little. You can click on the button and add your own business URL like this. So whatever is your influencer site, your social media platform, you can link that over here. You can add your own background color for buttons as well, so it fits within your business color scheme, so whatever color scheme you're using. So on and so forth. You can make all of these changes in ConvertKit. Now, once you're, doing this section, you can add more sections as you go. You can build duplicates as well and rearrange them. And once you have completed everything, you can click on saved on the top right and your email will be saved. From the top left, you're going to change the name of the template. So this is going to be my newsletter welcome template, and I'm just going to save it and then go back. And once we've done that, it's time to send out our email. So we can go on ahead, click on the send section, and we're going to click on broadcasts. And once we do that, we're going to click on new broadcast. And once we go into new broadcast, we can choose our pre-existing template. So this is our newsletter welcome that we are going to choose. And the subject line is going to be welcome to Spencer, what the subject line in their email box should say. And after that, we have our template. We can customize this further. We can preview the email like so if we want to see what it's going to look like. Now, after that, we are going to choose who we want to send this to. So we can click on continue. Once we click on continue, you can choose if you want to publish this to web or send it to your subscribers. I want to send this as email, and you have your from address. This is going to be the address you signed up for on ConvertKit. Then you also have the option to choose your subscriber list. So I want to only send this to a certain segment, if I only want to send this to cold subscribers or new subscribers, so on and so forth. I am going to choose all subscribers, and then you can add different filters as well. Below that, you have the option to add a send time. You can choose a particular time you want to send this at. Let's say I want to send this in a couple of days. Then you have advanced options where you can choose how your preview text appears, as well as any internal notes. Once done, click on continue to send out your email. Keep in mind you do have to verify your own email address on ConvertKit before you can send out campaigns. And the best part about ConvertKit is that their pricing is going to be dependent on how many subscribers you have. So increasing the number of subscribers will change the price that you are paying for any plan. If I go for a standard 1,000 subscribers, the creator plan costs you $25 per month, where you have free recommendations, remove ConvertKit branding, third-party integrations, API access, and more. And you have unlimited visual and email sequences, and you can add 2 users. On the free version, you have the ability to have 1 basic visual automation, 1 email sequence, and 1 user with unlimited landing pages, forms, email broadcast taggings, cell sections, recommendations, and much more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.